Okay, and we are live. So welcome back to the West Punch live stream. My name is David, and I'll be your host for today. So as usual, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And yeah. Okay, so what we are going to do today is to finally start on the multiplayer interfaces. Okay, so currently we have not started on that yet. So we'll start with the first interface, which is the create username interface. Okay, but actually before we do that, okay, so before we do that, we can actually sort of spend some time to sketch out the rest of the interfaces, okay, just in case we need to change anything after that. So it would be faster for us to change, yeah, it will be faster for us to change the sketch instead of okay, instead of after we have added to the game. Yeah. Okay, so what we need for multiplayer is, okay, first we need the create username interface, which is something like this, or actually something like this. Okay, so next, okay, we're going to sketch the user interface for okay, let's see. Okay, let's increase the size. Okay, so that was the interface or prototype sketch for when you create your username. Okay, if you have not done so yet, okay, so after you have created your username, okay, we will of course change from the create username screen to the sort of multiplayer stats summary or overview screen. Hey, what's up, Caden Burleson? And am I pronouncing your username correctly? Okay, so as with the first, or rather as with the create username interface, for this multiplayer overview interface, we will also sketch, or rather create a few sketches. Okay, so that it's easier for us to change anything on the spot. Okay, because we just need to erase and re-sketch it. Okay, so this is version 1. So for version 1, so for the multiplayer versus mode, okay, we want to include a league system. So for example, there's gold, okay, there's bronze, there's silver, gold, platinum, or crystal. Okay, platinum. Shit, how do I spell platinum? Oh, okay. And titanium. Okay, what do we have after that? Okay, maybe this, which I have no idea how to pronounce it. Mithril. Damn it. Okay, so these are the various leagues that okay, maybe we have diamond before that. Okay, and lastly we have Ori. Okay, I have no idea how to pronounce this as well, but we'll use the different meta names, okay, as the name of the leagues. So as you defeat more players, you gain points and you will rise to the more advanced league. Okay, so this is Ori Charlem. Shit, okay, let me just do a quick Google search. Oh, okay. Ori Chalcom. Oh, damn it. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Okay, but for now we'll just list it down here. Okay. So these are the leagues that we can, or rather you can advance through, starting from bronze. Okay, maybe I should write this down in a notepad instead. Okay, notepad. Okay, bronze, silver, gold, crystal, diamond, platinum, titanium, mithril, I think. Oh man, I have no idea how to pronounce the last two names. Okay, so since now we have the various names of the leagues, okay, what we can do is to also determine the number of points for each, or the range for each league. Okay, so starting from bronze, okay, okay, for bronze we will go from 0 to 500. Yeah, okay, 0 to 500. Okay, and from silver we'll go from 501 to 1000. So even though now, or rather, even though we are now planning for the league system, okay, we will not sort of add this to the game yet, because we still need to add the multiplayer gameplay first, okay, which is actually more important than this league system. Okay, but we need to plan for it first. So that's why we are doing this now. Okay, so for Go, let's go with 1001 to 2000. Oops. Okay, for crystal, let's go with 2001 to 3000. Okay, for diamond, from 3000 to 3001 to 4000. Okay, and for platinum, we will go from 4001 to 5000. Okay, so we might not need this two for now. Okay, because 5000 is a lot of points. Okay, or maybe we can change this to master instead of titanium. So 5000 to 6000. And okay, so after master we will go for greenlit. Okay, and lastly we will go for ancient link. So 7001 to 8000 or greater than 7001. Okay, so this is just a prototype, so we might change the range when we actually implement the league system. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so since we want to add the multiplayer gameplay first, we will sort of make a slight change to the interface. Yeah. So instead of showing you the the multiplayer sort of league stats that you have for your account, so you do not actually need to create an account, you just need to create an username which will be your account. Okay, so we'll focus on the multiplayer gameplay first. Or maybe we should set up the league system first. Okay, so let's think about it. If we set up the, or rather if we focus on the multiplayer gameplay first, even though it might seem interesting and novel in the beginning, since there's no incentive to fight or challenge or play against other players, because you're just playing for the sake of, maybe I shouldn't say that, you're just challenging other players in the game, but there's no incentive, or maybe there's incentive in the gameplay itself, but there's no reward that you can see accumulating. For example, points. So in that sense, it might be better to implement the league system first, so that there's an additional incentive for you to play multiplayer, because you have to keep playing it in order to get more points. Yeah. That sounds reasonable. Yeah. And anyway, even if we focus on the multiplayer, even if we focus just on the multiplayer gameplay first, after that we still need to create the interface for the league system. So when that happens, we still need to change the first multiplayer interface that you see after you enter the versus mode. So we might as well just do it now, okay, instead of changing it later on, which might be more troublesome. Yeah, so we might as well do it now. Yeah, so we don't have to change it later on. Okay, so now let's sketch the interface or interfaces for the league system. So this is version 1. So the first thing that you when you log in, or when you choose to go into versus mode, you should be able to see which league you're in. So for example, so this is just version 1. We'll create multiple versions. Okay, so for example, by the way, these two are black bars. So there'll be two black bars on top and below of the screen. Okay, so in the center of the screen, we will have maybe... Okay, let me draw the logo for maybe bronze. Maybe it's something like this. Okay, let's draw it smaller. Okay, maybe this is the logo for your league, or which league you're in, and this is your username. So maybe this is your username. Okay, just for example. So this will be your league emblem or logo. Okay, I'm really bad with pronunciation. Okay, and this is your username. Okay, so we need to add the menu options here for you to either choose to take a look at the global ladder, or to enter a match. So a match can consist from anywhere from 2 to 4 players. Okay, so for example, say okay, we can have the options here. So maybe when you press X, on your game controller or gamepad, you enter a match or find quick match. So sketching also allows us to sort of think about what are the things that we need to add to the game for the interface itself. So find quick match, or others quick match, or start quick match. Okay, usually I would like to include action verb in front of the adjective and noun. Okay, so start quick match. So this is just for example. Maybe say Y. So this legend here will change depending on whether you are using your keyboard or whether you are using an Xbox One game controller. So maybe Y is for view global ranking. Okay, and lastly we have maybe A. So this is just for example. We might change the button mappings when we actually implement it. Okay, so maybe A for view top players. So for the top players, what I can do is to integrate Steam works with it, so you can get badges, okay, from getting to the top, or rather by being one of the top few players in the multiplayer. But of course, we will get to there. Okay, when we get Steam greenlit. Okay, overview first screen. Okay, so we'll call this the first overview screen. Okay, so what else do we need for multiplayer? Okay, so sometimes when okay, so for example, if you're a live streamer, so sometimes you might want to arrange a match with your friends. So we might need to add the ability for you to create a room. So okay, we might need a button for that. So for example, okay, we can slot this in here. Okay, by the way, this is an old webcam that I managed to dig out from the ashes. So its resolution is not that great. Yeah. So you might not be able to see me clearly. Okay, but it's better than having no camera. Okay, so here we add one more item. Okay, so if we give you the ability to create a room, this means that we also need to give you the ability to search for a room that maybe your friend has already created. Okay, so create room. Okay, so this button mapping is just for example, so we might change it later on. Yeah, but you roughly get the idea. Okay, so the button mapping is always on the bottom. Okay, so when we start the game in Stellar Stars, okay, we wait for Unity to start it for the first time. Okay, it looks like Unity is not, it's taking its own sweet time. So we have to wait a while for this. Yep. Okay, we are waiting for Unity to start. Yeah. So usually, this usually happens when we start the laptop and when you try to run the game for the first time. So that is what would usually happen. Oh, and we also need to, okay, so because we are using the 64-bit of Unity, okay, we need to swap in the 64-bit version of SQLite DLL file here. So we'll swap it here, copy and replace. Yep. Okay, that should fix that error. Okay, so notice that there's a coming soon animation here. Okay, so this is what we will be working on from rather for the next few live streams. Okay, but of course it's still a work in progress, so right now if you press enter here it does nothing. So no more errors now because we have swapped in the 64-bit version of the SQLite DLL file. Oh, okay. So let me change this to Windows. Okay, and we also need to change the input settings. So we can do that using the project settings and the input manager.asset. Copy. Okay, and let's paste it here. So this is for Windows. Okay, so I need to be careful around this mic so as not to hit it off the ground. Okay. Oh, that's rather cool. Okay. Hey, what's up, the great Sautini, and welcome back, GB Easy410. I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay. So in the game manager here, okay, so when we do indeed add the multiplayer versus mode, hey, thanks man. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, because there are some debug messages that we need to remove because they are rather annoying. Okay, startup manager. Oh, actually, okay, let's search for okay, key codes. Oh, Okay, so here where we start versus, yep. So this is when you choose to want to play the multiplayer versus mode. So if you want to play multiplayer versus mode, yep. Okay, then the game will try to retrieve your username. Game will try to retrieve your username first from the save game file. Okay, let me put this here. Okay, by the way, I am mostly a Mac user, so I'm still trying to get used to Microsoft Visual Studio in Windows. Okay, but I do like the black color or the dark theme, okay, that you are looking at right now. Okay, because black is easy on the eyes. Okay, so if we found the username, we will retrieve it and we will check with the server if this username is already created on the server. Okay, but if we do not find it, okay, we will then show the create username interface over here. Yeah, so to do this, okay, let me just close some of the scripts that we do not need for now. Okay, maybe not this. Yeah, okay, so we do need the scene manager. Hey, welcome to the White Sponge live stream, Shock Flare 100. Hey, and thanks, man, and no worries about it because I understand that everyone has their own languages that they are most comfortable with. So no worries about that. I'm sure there are many ways we can communicate. So don't worry, you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So we can either do this in the scene manager, or we can create a new script if we want. Okay, draw rectangle. Show demo and let's hide this. Hey, what's up, Creep Price? Or Seed Price? Is that how you pronounce your username? Oh. Hey, for some languages, Google Translate might be accurate, but sometimes Google Translate does not take into account the context and the local culture into consideration, and sometimes sentences that are translated in Google Translate the grammar, the structure form is kind of weird. But if you use Google Translate to just translate single words by itself, usually it's accurate. Okay, but for sentences, sometimes it's not that accurate. Okay. Okay, let's comment this. Okay. Okay, and let's comment this as well. Okay, so I'm just doing some really quick cleaning up of some debug messages. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now here, okay, is I'm going to create a new region. So in Unity or in C# you can actually use region to sort of separate and organize your code. Hey, that is actually quite cool already. Okay, because making a stickman and making it wave his hand is really quite a cool animation. So yeah, if you have an interest in game development, don't give up, just keep doing what you're doing. Okay, game stack. Hey, what's up, Johnny? How's your day coming along? Hey, there's nothing wrong with finding text entertaining. Okay, and region. So I'm going to create a new region here, so that we can better organize our code. So I will call this multiplayer game stack and end region. Okay, so I'm going to create a new method here. So public void. Okay, let's call this show create username. Okay, scene. So this method will create the scene for you to create your username for multiplayer versus mode. Hey, thanks man, Great Saltini. Okay, by the way, you can call me David. Hey, I'm glad for you as well, Short Flare. Yeah, David is my name. But if you want, you can call me White Sponge or David, whichever you feel is more, whichever you like. So for the show create username scene, okay, first thing first, we have to clear everything on the screen, which will remove anything that is currently shown, such as maybe some text or some characters that are still appearing. Okay, so next we need to show two black bars above and below. Okay, the screen. So for that, wait, let me check the player manager here. So there's a method here which is display character selection here. Okay. So I'm going to reuse this method here to display two black bars above and below the screen. Okay, so false and false. Okay. Hey, thanks for supporting Stellar Stars, Shock Flare. And thanks for joining us today. I'm looking forward to chatting with you again. Do join us on the live stream as often as you can, because it's fun to just interact in this manner. Oh. Okay, so we thought that you were leaving, so that's why we were saying goodbye to you, but okay, so it was actually a typo, so sorry about that. But no, I'm not leaving anytime soon. Okay, we are still live, so yeah. Okay, so as I was saying, okay, I'm going to reuse this method to create two black bars. So for that dramatic effect, which is something similar to, okay, let me just show you what the current character selection screen looks like. Okay, we will wait for Unity to keep the game awake, which usually should be faster than this. Hey, sure man, we will most likely still be around when you are back. Okay, so Unity is, it's trying to be funny again. Oh, okay, so it's actually repacking the sprite the sprite sheets. So we'll wait for it to do that, and the game should start. Oh, okay, that was fast, but welcome back. Okay, so right now this is what you will see in the latest version, which you can already download from the Stellar Stars website. So the challenge versus is what we are going to work on from now on, which is the multiplayer mode. So this is the character selection screen. So you might notice that there are two black bars above and below, okay, of the screen. So this is to create that this is to create an effect similar to when you go to the cinemas to watch a movie. Yeah. Okay, I'm drinking water as well. So this is the mark, a brown mark that I'm using. Okay, because I like things that are brown and black. Hey, what's up, Joe Fish? Are you having a great day? Hey, I'm glad that you like the music. Hey, but that's kind of funny. Okay, if that is true, then I'm assuming that your mom is both handsome and beautiful. Okay, so let me turn off the demo mode. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, okay. Okay, is that I'm going to reuse this method and over here. Okay, show create, yep. So player manager dot show orbs create display black bars false. Oh, hey. I do kind of like my mustache and my goatee as well. So yeah, so it's kind of a full package, okay, on the whole. So if I remove just the mustache, or if I remove just the goatee here, it'll be kind of weird. So right now I have both of them as a full package, okay, in this manner. Oh, okay. Okay, so this will show the two black bars above and below. Oh, okay. Yeah, so then we should make full use of the remaining 20 minutes that you have with us here. Okay, so remove everything beforehand. Okay, so just for testing. Okay, over here. Oops. Okay, we'll call the wow. Okay, that is rather amazing. If your grandma looks like Obama, is your grandma able to sort of imitate Obama's accent or his way of speaking? Because I kind of like his way of having a conversation and how he speaks. Nah, I don't think Obama will do that. Okay, so scene manager, oops, dot show create username scene. So that's the new method that we have created. And before that, we also need to remove the starting menu items. So over here, okay, and we also need to set this as true. So if first started equals to true. Okay, so this is so that it will not come into this loop again. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to create a new method here. Oh, hey, sure man, Short Flare, thanks for joining us today. And remember to have a great day ahead. Hey, what's up, the Canadian nation, and welcome back, Bluefire. Okay, so remove first play, or maybe we should call it hide first play. So this hides the starting menu to prepare to go into story or versus multiplayer versus mode. Oh, by the way, if you want, you can follow me on Twitter as well. Short Flare. Okay, I'm using the same username, which is white sponge. Okay, so over here I'm going to cut this portion. Oops. I'm going to cut this portion here and paste it here. And let me just decrease the indent. So we'll call hide first play. So using this method, okay, we can remove the starting menu. Here. Okay, so hide first play. Okay. And okay, there's something else that we need to change as well. Okay, in the new method hide first play, which hides the starting menu. So instead of destroying all of these items here or game objects here, okay, so since we are now going to add multiplayer, this means that sometimes you might want to go back to the starting menu from multiplayer, and sometimes you might want to go back to the starting menu from the single player or story mode. So instead of destroying, we'll just move them out of sight, so off the screen, so that we can reuse them later on. So what I'm going to do is to just move them away. So to do that, I'll just move them away to around -200, on both the X and Y axis. So let me copy this line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste all of this. Yeah. Okay, and we also need to go back to the startup manager, which which is in charge of showing the starting menu. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, menu highlight coming soon. Okay, instead of destroying them, we will hide them. Yeah. Okay, so let me do a quick change of their location using transform.position. Okay, so this is so that we can reuse them, to save resources on your system as well. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, so instead of destroying it, now we'll just hide them. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that should do it. We need to call this method. Okay, when we choose to go to the multiplayer versus mode. Okay, which is somewhere here. Okay, so here. Okay, so if this works, now when we choose the multiplayer versus mode, everything else should disappear, but we should only see 2 black bars on top and below of the screen. Hey, welcome back, Mac. Do you have a great weekend? Okay, by the way, I did manage to dig out an old webcam, even though its resolution is really bad, but at least it's better than having no web camera action. So hi there. Oops. Okay. Yep. Okay, so right now we will test what happens when we press enter on this challenge versus menu item. Oh yeah. Okay, so it works now because we are looking at the new create username interface that we are trying to set up. So we have displayed two black bars above and below. So we have removed everything else. So yeah, it works. But of course now we have to create the interface for you to enter your username. Okay, so it works now. Okay, but just for testing. Okay, we want to make sure that whatever we just changed does not affect the existing single player mode. Oh. Okay, so when we press enter on start story, yeah. Okay. So it does not affect the single player mode. Okay, so that's good. Oh. Okay, if that's the case, then I'm glad you had your phone with you. Hey, what's up, Wago90? How's your day? Okay, so now that we have shown the two black bars above and below the screen, here, so using this method, okay, we can show the what's in the center of the interface. So it will be something that looks like this. Yep. Okay. So this is the sketch of the enter your username interface, but okay, we will it will be slightly different because the two black bars are on the edges. Okay, one on top and one below. So first, okay, we can create the platform in the center of the screen. Okay, which is what you will usually see when you level up. Okay, so to give you an example, hey, it was just a sketch created using using this mouse. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah. Okay, so it was just a sketch using this mouse. So yeah, it isn't anything fancy. Okay, oh, and by the way, if you download the latest version, which is available right now from the website or from IndieDB, no, just from the website, because I haven't uploaded it on IndieDB yet. Okay, so we have added something new to jumping in the game. So usually when you jump in the game, so So for example, okay, this might be how far you can jump forward. So in the latest update, which I've just released yesterday, okay, you can now jump further by running before jumping. So now when I run and I jump, okay, notice that now I have landed further. So it's a way of making things more interactive in Stellar Stars. Okay, so when you level up, oh, that's cute. Okay, so what we are going to create next for the multiplayer interface is this platform that you see in the middle, and we also have a message on top of the platform, similar to how similar to this. So instead of saying select one growth level up, we will say enter your username, and we also have a character appear here, which will be random. Okay, if that's the case, maybe we should create this, okay, in the manner similar to this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's create the platform in the center first, and we'll judge from there, or we'll see from there if we need to change the location of the black area. Okay, so yeah, let's create the platform first. So to do that, okay, I can just actually copy this here. Okay, create user, yep. So this will help us create a platform right in the center, but slightly above in terms of the y-axis, so vertically. Okay, so now when we start the game, okay, so now when the game shows the first menu, okay, and when we choose challenge versus, okay, so now we have a platform in the center. Okay. Okay, if that's the case, let's move it slightly downwards to centralize it. Okay, so we can put it at the same location at, oops. Okay, as when you get to choose which character you want to play as. So that's the character selection screen. Okay, so create user, yeah. Oops, ouch. Yeah, I do keep hitting into the platform. Sorry, the microphone sometimes, because it's rather up close and personal on my mouth. Yeah. Okay, so challenge versus. Yeah. So now it's somewhere. It's not exactly right smack in the center of the entire screen. Okay, but at least now it's okay, it's somewhere close. Okay. Okay, so now we actually need to show. Should we show a random character, or should we always show Beat, who is the first character? Okay, so regardless of which character we show. Okay, for now let's show the first character. Okay, so to do that we can reuse or copy and paste the code from growth scene here. Let's see. Okay, so we can just copy and paste this code. Username. Show user. Oops. Oh, that's weird. Show user. Oh, damn it. Do I really have to scroll down? Okay, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, so it makes sense, because if we always show the same character, it'll be kind of boring. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is instead of doing this, okay, let's get the player from okay, wait a second. So I need to check where the players or the characters are at. Okay, so using the player manager. Okay, so player manager dot selectable characters. Okay, so here we can use a random dot range. Oops, range 0, comma player manager dot selectable characters dot length. So we don't need to use -1 because random.range does not include the biggest number. So this should give us our random character. Okay, so selectable characters. Okay, let me just in case, let me check the array. Okay, so it's player, so we do not need to convert it to a player object. Okay, so random player. Okay, random player. Okay, so let me change the command here. Okay, display random. Yeah, sometimes I still press the wrong keys on the keyboard as I'm too used to working on the Mac. Okay, yeah, so that should do it. Okay, let's test this out. Oops. Control P. So in Mac it's Command P, but in Windows it's Control P to start the game in Unity. Okay. Okay. So now we have Asuka. Okay, so let me try this again. So this is to test. Okay, this is to test and make sure that it is really random. Okay. Okay, so now we have Beat, who is the first character. Hey, what's up, Xcula Castro? Is that how you pronounce your username? Oh. Hey, good job for finishing your homework, Mac. Oh, okay. Okay, so now whenever you enter this area or enter your username interface, okay, we have a random character appear here. Oh. Cula Castro. Oh. Ah, I see. So that's why you have a small X in front of your Cula Castro. Okay, so enter your username should appear to the right of this character. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to create the text for enter your username using GIMP. Okay, because I do not have Photoshop on this machine yet, so I'm going to use GIMP. Okay, and hopefully it's about the same. Okay, so let's create a new document. Okay. Shift B. Shift layer. Okay, let me use pencil. Okay. So let me zoom in. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is 1 pixel. Okay, so this is 1 pixel. Hey, what's up, Gabriel? Welcome to the White Sponge live stream. How's your day? And welcome as well, Pixel. Can I just call you Pixel? So I'm going to create the words. Create your username or enter your username. So for E, so it will definitely be in pixel art as well. So I'm using my mouse for this. Okay, so this is E. So for each alphabet, I will use a different layer. Okay, so the layers are here on the right. Okay, so next is N. So N. Okay, let me recall how I created the. Yeah, if I recall, this should be the N that I have. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay, let me just check the sprites that I have. Okay, in fonts and English. So I'm checking for N, which is this. Yep, okay. Okay, next is for T. Tools. Oh, so actually GIMP is a rather cool software to use. Okay. E and okay, this is E. Okay, E and T. Okay, and we have 2 pixels spacing in between. Okay, so let's okay, let's see how I can move okay, so I'm not that experienced with using GIMP, so I'm still trying to figure out which tool does what. Oh, okay, so M for move. 1, 2. So we have 2 spacing, 2 pixel spacing in between each character. So M for move and N for pencil tool. Okay. Okay, now for our arrow. So this is enter. Okay, next we have okay, let's create a group for this. Okay, let's call it enter. Oh, how do you Wait, what? Oh, okay. Control? Alternate? Oh, damn it. Okay, I'm trying to select multiple layers at once. Hey, what's up, Ozzy Asmoon? Is that how you pronounce your username? Or am I pronouncing it incorrectly? Oops. Okay, so for Y, okay, select N and oh, that's weird. And how do I deselect? Okay, for oh, that's weird. Okay. Okay, there's something going on here. Oh, okay. So Control Shift A. Okay. So enter your wait, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, enter your username. Okay, so luckily I still remember how to create the font for the text that is used throughout the for the same text that is used throughout the entire game. Oh, hey, welcome back, David. How's your day, man? Okay, so next is U. 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay, and now we can duplicate the arrow here. Okay, and let's move it down here. Yeah, so enter your username, but we'll make it such that there are only 2 rows of text. So to do that, oh, okay. Okay, Y-O-U-R. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to move this upwards. Oh, or not. Okay. So how do I move the entire layer? Oh, am I unable to move? Okay, so GIMP is slightly different from Photoshop. Okay, M. Oh man, so I can't move the entire group of layers. Oh. Okay, what if I lock it? Okay, how do I select okay, there must be a way to move. Because I do not have Photoshop installed on this machine yet. So right now I'm using GIMP. So I'm trying to sort of learn how to use it. Okay, so for the most part, it's rather similar to Photoshop. Okay, maybe in some small ways which you can move the layers around. So does this mean that we have to actually move each character by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4. In some areas it's not as intuitive as Photoshop. So right now it's a perfect example of that because I'm trying to move the 4 layers here at once, but I'm not able to do so, which I'm assuming is because I have not enough experience with this. So I'm trying to move the 4 layers here together, but okay. Enter your username. Okay, what if I merge the layers? Okay, but if I merge the layers, I will have to recreate every character and not be able to duplicate them. Okay. Merge down. Oops. Okay. So instead of merge, using merge down. Okay, let me just use merge layer group. So now I should be able to move. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Enter. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's a bit of a mix up here. So this should be it here. Okay, sometimes I just want to laugh at myself for making stupid mistakes like this. Yep, okay. Merge layer group. Yeah, so now we should be able to move everything at once. Okay. So enter your just in case, let me save this document first. Okay, we'll save it over here under documents. Okay, let me create a new folder. Okay, Stellar Stars Design. Yeah, we'll call it Stellar Stars for now. And inside here, let me create a new folder and let's call it design. Okay, call it text, and for the name I'll call it maybe text canvas. Okay. So let me create a new layer now. Oops. Control Shift A. N for, or is it P? Pencil tool, yep, N. Okay, so enter your user 3, 4, 5. Oops. Okay. So enter your user name. So here we have user S. Okay, so this is our S, a rather simple S. Okay, let's duplicate this. Okay, for E, so let's move this downwards here. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. Yep. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for arrow. Oh, okay, wait a second. Okay, so M. Hey, what's up? Not a real link. Okay, that's a rather cool name you have there. Okay, so apparently there's something different in game, is that even though you're selecting a layer here, and if you want to move something in the main space, okay, it moves whatever you select on the screen and not on the layer here. So that's where it was rather confusing. Okay, so if I move it, okay, I can't use the directional keys to move it. So if I move it here, so I might be moving the other end. Okay, so let's username. Okay, let's create a new layer for A. N. So for A it will be something. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh. That's weird. Okay, so now I'm still trying to figure out why this. Oh, okay. Okay. So I somehow managed to change the brush by accident. The brush type. So this is our A. Okay, and now we have our M, which is also rather straightforward. Oops. Okay, let's duplicate our E. Okay, so if I move it here, okay, so we have to make sure that we have a 2 pixel spacing in between. Yeah. Okay, so enter your username. Okay, so right now, even though it looks like this, but I might want to change it because usually I will want the text, the text or the word on the bottom row to be longer than the text on the top row. Okay, so when we level up, so let me try to level up first. Pause this. Okay, so what we are trying to do is to create the same text and animation as when you level up, or rather as when you get to the level up screen where you can choose how you want to level your character. Oh, damn it. So we have level up, so now we just need to clear this stage to go to the level up screen. Oh shit, I just realized that I did not have enough mana. Okay, so when you level up, so notice that the text above is of a smaller width than the text on the bottom row, and that's because the text on the bottom row is actually of a bigger font size. Hey, what's up, Mascalpite? Or is it Mascalma-Pite? Is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry about that because I'm bad with pronunciations. Okay, so this means that select one growth level up. Okay, let me just check Hey, welcome back, Mac. Okay, right now I'm just checking to make sure that we create the same font size for the top and bottom row. Character info. Oh, okay, so over here, level up, and okay, so select one growth is smaller as compared to this. So let me take a look at the sprite that we are using. Oops. So here, 1. Okay, this is also 1. 72 single. Level up. Oh, okay. So this is actually 4x of the original size, and this is 2x. Okay. So now that we know that, we can export the images differently. So for enter your, we'll export it by scaling it up to 200%, but for username, we'll scale it up to 400%. So that should make username much bigger. Then enter your. Okay, so let's do that now. So this is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's make it 8. Okay, maybe around. Okay, so I'm trying to guess the width required for this. Okay, just a random guess. 64. Height 8. Okay. Control Shift A, or wait a minute. Okay, I'm guessing that I need to merge this layer as well to move all of the alphabets in. Enter your. Wait, what? Wait, does that mean that I can't move it from one document to another? Oh shit. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, what if I just cut? Okay. And I paste it here. Oh. Okay. Okay, Control Shift A. Okay, so at least now we can cut and paste it over here. M. Oh. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so enter. Oh. Okay, so game has crashed. I assume that it's crashing. Okay, but luckily for us, I think we have saved it once. I hope so. Okay, so open recent. Yep. Okay, so we still have the document here, or the enter your username text here. Okay, let's create a new document. So width 48, height 8. Okay, Shift B. Whoa, okay. So let me merge this layer again, and let's yeah, we have to do the cut and paste method. So enter. If that's the case, okay, let's merge it with enter and your. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, enter. Okay, let's cut this and let's paste it over here. Ctrl Shift A. Oh, is that not how you deselect? So select or Shift Ctrl A. Oh, okay, it's not working. So select none or select none. Oh, okay, by the way, 48 is too small. Discard changes. Okay, let me create a new document with, yeah, let's try 64 instead. Height 8. Okay, Shift B to paint bucket. Hey, welcome back, Storming. Welcome back, Storming Thunder. Okay, yeah, welcome back. How was your break? Okay, back. Oh shit. Oh, okay. So we need to create a new layer for this. And let's paste it here. Okay, and now let's move it here. Hey, what's up, Katja? Welcome to the White Sponge live stream. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hey, that sounds delicious. I would like to sort of chat with you more, but I need to go for lunch, so sorry about that. Okay, as I'm not sure if you can hear this, but my stomach, okay, there's a really great earthquake happening right now in my stomach, so I need to go for lunch now. Sorry about that, guys. But if you want, you can follow me on Twitter. I'm using @whitesponge, which is the same username as my TwitchTV username. And also, if you have not done so, okay, the link to Stellar Stars is in one of the description panels below on my TwitchTV profile page or channel page. Hey, thanks for understanding, Stormy Thunder. Okay, enjoy your sandwich as well, and thanks for joining us today on the live stream. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's live stream and have a great day ahead, guys. Okay, if there's anything that you wish to chat about, just drop me a tweet @whitesponge on Twitter. Okay, so see you guys, and yeah, take care and look forward to the next live stream, which should be either tomorrow or 2 days from now. Okay, so look forward to that and have a great day. See ya.